Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to get the username of Azure Virtual Machine and how we can reset the password of the VM. So let's get started. So before start the demo, let's assume that you are trying to log in one Azure VM, but it's failed due to incorrect username password, and no one knows the exact or correct username password of the virtual machine. So in this video we will perform that scenario, and yeah, that's it. So let's get started. First, what we will do, let me go to the virtual machine first. So we have a Azure VM here, so let me go to the VM. If you can see now here, so let's understand whether we have any extension here. So if you can see, let's go to the extension. I will let you know what the exact meaning of this extension. So right now we do not have any extension for this Azure Virtual Machine. Okay, so let me go to the overview, and we'll try to log in this Azure Virtual Machine. So this is the public IP. Let me go to the MSTSC. We'll enter this public IP, and let me try to log in now. Got exact login name, so it might be a admin local admin Azure local admin. Yeah, it was like Azure local admin, and password was okay. Let me click on OK. So if you can see now, login attempt failed. I mean, something is wrong. Might be my password is wrong or my username is not correct. So first we will see uh, how we can get the first. We will try to understand what exact username we need to use. Okay, so for that, what we are going to do, so let's close this. Now whenever you want to get any, get details from the Azure VM, you have to use the run command. So what I will do, I will go to the Azure, this run command first. So let me open the, go to the, just a second. Yeah, so let's go to the Azure run command. So under the operations, once you click on operations, you will get option called run command. So just click on run command. So here you can run PowerShell script, right? If you can see here, run PowerShell script. So from here you can run the PowerShell script and you will get the username. So get the username. What I need to do, so first we will see what exact username is there. Multiple commands, so we are going to use net user. Now click on run. It is trying to execute the command. So once out, yeah, here we go. So we got the details, right? So if you can see now, here we have a username called Azure admin, and I was trying a different, Azure local admin something. So yeah, now we come to know the exact username. Okay, so username is the Azure admin. Okay, same way now what we need to do, now we are going to reset the password for this username. Okay, so just close this one. Now there are two way you can reset password from the same run command. You can use some PowerShell script and reset the password. Second, from portal also we have an option called reset password. So you just click here and type reset, right? So here you will get an option called reset password, right? So just click on reset password. Yeah, so here you can reset with the for Azure admin. So even like if suppose this is option, this you have a multiple username, right? So in that way also you can retrieve the multiple username and all the username details, and you can reset the password for that specific user. So I am going to reset a password for this. So let me reset the password. Yep. Yeah. Oh, password confirmation field should match. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Now, see what will happen if you can see here the uses of the VM access extension to reset the built-in administrator account. So whenever you use this service or use this function, what will happen? It will it will deploy the extension on the Azure VM. Azure does not directly access the operating system to change the password. It use the VM agent, and then I mean what will happen? A VM agent will install inside the VM and it will reset the password. So let me click on now update. So once you click on update, so if you can see now it is trying to reset the password for virtual machine. Virtual machine name is Azure VM01. Yep. So now ARM request succeed. Reset password is done. Now what we will do? We will go to the extension once again. Just click on extension. Just close this. Go to the extension once again. Now if you can see here, earlier extension was not there, right? So now if you can see here, we have extension called enable VM access, right? So with this extension we always reset a password. So we'll do, let's go back to the VM once again. Now well, same, we will use the Azure admin username, and we will use the latest password which we have set. Yep. So we have successfully logged in the VM. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.